Want a delicious high-protein meal prep idea that's quick and easy? Let's dive into making these creamy chicken fajita burritos packed with a whopping 56 grams of protein each in just 60 seconds. First up, season diced chicken breast with fajita seasoning. Next, cook it with bell peppers and onions, then add red enchilada sauce for that extra kick. Now, blend low-fat cottage cheese and cream cheese for a creamy twist. Mix it all together with mozzarella and parsley for flavor. Warm your tortillas, fill them with rice and the chicken mix, then roll them up for a satisfying meal prep. Pop them in the freezer for later, and when you're ready to eat, just thaw and air fry for a crispy finish. These burritos are a protein-packed delight that's perfect for any meal. So, get prepping and enjoy every bite of these creamy, flavorful burritos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-protein meal preps.